Student, today we will learn about chapter 2 more on words. What is MS Office Word? A word is an application software that is classified under the heading of word processor software developed by Microsoft. MS Word allows us to write, edit, and format textual data, providing a user-friendly environment. Number of fonts and formatting styles are available. One can add pictures and various shapes to give an attractive look to the document. The topic is spelling and grammar. When we type the text in a document, MS Word gives the features to check spelling and grammar. Before you learn how this feature works, you need to understand two basic things. Firstly, how to set the language, and the second one is what are the type of error marked by MS Word. Firstly, how to set the language. To set the language means MS Word that the words and grammars are to be checked accordingly to the dictionary of the language you are referring to. मीन्स कि जो लैंग्वेज हम अपने पीसी में सेट कर देते हैं वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही हमारे ग्रामर की मिस्टेक्स को चेक करता है, देन हमें शो करके देता है डिफरेंट वेवी लाइंस में. उसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले रिव्यू टैब में जाना पड़ेगा, देन लैंग्वेज में जाना पड़ेगा. लैंग्वेज में एक ड्रॉप डाउन एरो है, जब उस पर क्लिक करते हैं तब हमारे पास सेट प्रूफिंग लैंग्वेज आता है. इसको क्लिक करके हम अपनी लैंग्वेज को सेट कर सकते हैं. हमें इंग्लिश यूएसए लैंग्वेज को सेट करना होता है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा जो MS वर्ड है वो एरर्स को सर्च आउट करता है और डिफरेंट लाइंस में शो करता है. देन गो ओके बटन. In basic thing is type of error marked by MS Word. MS Word underline the different types of errors, different colors. Here you can see the one sentence, there was many spoons laying on the floor of the kitchen. In this sentence, was, floor, kitchen shown by the different types of error with different colors. Here was shows the green wavy line, that means shows the grammatical arrow. मीन्स कि यहाँ पर जो was शो किया गया है इसकी जगह पर हमें वर्ब को यूज करना था. एंड द फ्लोर, in this sentence the floor word shows by blue wavy line, means कि द फ्लोर वर्ड इज करेक्ट, कि जो वर्ड है वो सही लिखा हुआ है, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस इट इज नॉट मीनिंगफुल, द मीनिंगफुल इन द सेंटेंस. एंड द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज किचन, इट इज शोन बाय द रेड वेवी लाइन. रेड वेवी लाइन शोज द स्पेलिंग एरर. स्पेलिंग मीन्स जो किचन के स्पेलिंग्स हैं वो रॉन्ग है. द राइट वर्ड इज किचन इज KITCHEN, kitchen. The next is checking spelling and grammar. MS Word provides check spelling and grammar mistake in a document. It can be done by two ways. MS Word to mark the error automatically, and spelling and grammar checked after completing the typing of the text. Check a document for spelling and grammar error. These errors are highlighted by colored wavy line as discussed earlier. Red wavy line, green wavy line and blue wavy line. And the second way is कि the spelling and grammar checking setting have been turned off. You can follow the steps. Firstly, you can go for the file tab, then click on the option. The option dialog box appear here. The Third is go for proofing tab. The next is you have to select the things कि check spelling as you type. Select use contextual spelling. Contextual spelling means कि you have to select the spelling. There are many spelling, you have to select the correct one. And the other is कि select the mark grammar error as you type. The next is select the check grammar with spelling. Then okay. In that way, you have to automatically check the grammar and spelling correction. On the second way, you have to correct the spelling. Right click on the marked word. You can see the various available option is here. Choose the correct one and okay. If you don't change the spelling, click on the ignore one. If you know grammatical change is required, click the ignore one also. The second method is कि running a spelling and grammar check. Means कि to check spelling and grammar after typing setting the text. Follow these steps. You have to set accordingly. Click on the review tab, then proofing tab, and click on the spelling and grammar option. The error will be marked the color explained earlier. That means like here you can see the kitchen, the spelling is wrong. The next step is use the suggested of corrected error are listed. You have to select the correct word and then change it. The next step is choose a suggestion and click on the change to correct the error. If you don't want to change the spelling, click on the ignore ones. Click on the ignore all to skip the word without changing it and also to skip all other instance of the word in the document. When all the error has been considered, MS Word will display a dialog box. You can see here the spelling and grammar check is completed. Then go for the OK button.